Japanese food is everyone's favorite. Lahat naman tayo, we crave for Japanese food. But sometimes, nahirapan tayo isipin paano natin lulutuin to. I'm here to show you it's easy and both delicious at the same time. We're making 3 dishes again today and napakasarap and it's gonna be everyone's favorite. Our first one, we're gonna make some onigiri. Onigiri that is bursting with flavor, sweet, salty, and we're gonna top it with a nice steak that we sear and we're gonna put some luscious sauce on it. Nako, napakasarap. The second one we're gonna make is a katsu. The tonkatsu that we come to love and know, we're gonna level it up. We're gonna put flavors in it. We're gonna stuff it with cheese and shiso. Kaya ang tawag sa kanya is Mille Feuille because it got layers upon layers upon layers of crunchiness, flavorful, and napakasarap talaga. And we're gonna serve it with a tonkatsu sauce. And last and not the least, everyone's gonna gather around and have a bowl of sukiyaki. It's got everything. Meron siyang beef, noodles, vegetables, and a broth that you will slurp and slurp and slurp. Ano pa hinihintay nyo? Let's cook this easy Japanese only here at the Bailiwick.